Welcome to our Learning Math series. My name is Coach Louie and I'm from Tula and Cheater ko. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung ano ang combination of events. Ano kaya to? Sige, simulan na natin. Imagine this. You are playing a board game with your siblings, and it's your turn to make a play. During your turn, the rules say that you have to roll a dice 3 times and you have to get an even number on all 3 tries to move on to the next round. Naisip mo, hindi mo naman makokontrol yung numbers na lalabas sa dice, pero baka makatulong if we know the probability of succeeding in your turn. So, ang mga tanong natin for today ay, what is the probability of getting an even number on all 3 tries? And how do we solve for the probability of combined events? Before we can answer these questions, let's first review and define some terms. We learned from our previous lesson that computing for probability means showing the value of P. Nakukuha natin ang value of P gamit ang formula na ito. Number of desired outcomes over number of total possible outcomes. We were able to use this last time to solve for the probability of single events. Now, when we have a combination of events, we involve 2 different events and their probabilities. Let me give you an example. If we flip 2 coins, what's the probability that we will get tails on both coins? May 4 na posibleng outcomes when we toss 2 coins. Isa lang sa 4 na outcomes na iyon ang magiging 2 tails. That means there's a 1 out of 4 chance or a 25% chance of getting tails on both coins. So that's one way of solving the probability of a combination of events. Pero may mas madaling way akong ituturo sa inyo. We can also solve for the probability of a combination of events by using this formula. Probability of the combination is equal to the probability of outcome 1 times the probability of outcome 2. Let's try to answer our previous example using the formula. We have to multiply the probability of tails on coin 1 and the probability of tails on coin 2. That means the probability of getting 2 tails is equal to 1/2 times 1/2, which is equal to 1/4. And there you go. We got the same answer of 1/4 or 25%. Mas madali ito kaysa sa listing method, diba? Now, let's try to solve our main question for today. What is the probability of getting an even number on all 3 tries? Step 1, solve for the individual desired probabilities. Remember, sa 6 na numbers ng dice, may 3 even numbers. 2, 4, 6. That's how we got 3 over 6. At ito ang individual probabilities ng bawat dice. Step 2, multiply the probabilities together. Tingnan natin yung sagot sa step 1, tapos i-copy sa baba. So we have 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. When you multiply them, you get 1/8. Lastly, show your final answer. There is a 1/8 probability of landing on an even number 3 times. Ngayon, balikan natin ang mga tanong natin kanina. We now know that to solve for the probability of a combination of events, we just have to multiply the probabilities of the individual desired outcomes. And by using this knowledge, we were able to find out that the probability of getting an even number on all 3 tries is 1/8. Ikaw naman, let's practice by answering these questions. Given 2 6-sided dice, what is the probability of landing on a 4 both times? What about rolling an odd number on both? Remember our formula? You may pause this video to solve on your own. Then, you can press play again to see the correct answers. And here are the correct answers. Good job! You finished watching our video about combination of events from the Learning Math series. May natutunan ka ba? Gusto mo pa mag-level up? Click the bell button below to subscribe so you'll get notified of new videos. Pwede mo ring puntahan ang YouTube channel namin. Happy learning! Bye!